Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the markets have been very volatile after US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell spoke at a panel at the IFM saying that a 50 basis point rate hike may be necessary to try and attempt to tame inflation. Following that, the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, staged a brief up test around 100.80 and now is flat at 100.50. The Australian dollar, however, from its bullish trek from 73.70 up to 74.65 was rejected and now close back to that 60-day moving average, which is around 73.1030. A close beneath 73.10 would give some concerns that the bearish case is slightly overthrown the bullish case and could see a further slippage into the 72-cent region. Let's see where we close in New York, and if we do see a rebound from 73.1030 area, which I'm in favor of, then we could see a retracement back to 74 cents. A very whipsaw price action, and as you can see, the euro took the challenge to the upside and found difficulty sustaining around the 109.30 area. From the whipsaw price action, it's not quite out of the bullish zone yet, so to speak, because the technicals are still holding relatively well. So therefore, I would not dismiss another upside challenge around that 109.30 and reassess from there. If we do see another rejection, then that would put further light back towards that 107.50 key support level. The dollar yen not quite breaking down to the bearish case, even though the technicals have buckled. I still would like to see the break of 127.70.90, where this broad uptrend holds, to support a significant downturn to 123 and reassess. Sterling back to the bottom side of the range around 130, and at the present though could see a little bit more slippage due to the fact that we're not seeing any momentum coming back into the market in the last few hours. However, I'm not getting bearish at these levels. I feel it's just a slight extension or just the market trying to squeeze some of those longs out of that is, and therefore could see anywhere from around 129.45 and above as a potential rebound and maybe look back towards 131 to 132. Sterling Kiwi, well, the bulls have cheered as the market reaches its target of 194.2040. Although now I'm neutral, for those participating may see a little bit more of an upstep. But that being said, though, I'm a little bit careful with saying that due to the bearish divergence, and therefore could see a downturn. So at present, I'd rather sit on the sidelines as I've reached the objective that I was looking for and see where we go from there. I do feel that the pattern for gold is still somewhat negative, and therefore looking down towards the target of 1,920 to 26, that still holds. As long as we don't break above 1,960.64 area, then I feel the bears will continue to weigh on the market. And finishing up with oil, well, I'm still holding the view that we should see a downward pressure and look towards $97 a barrel. A break there would give further slide towards 93 as a potential target, which I feel may be coming into view due to the technicals that are breaking down. Well, that's a wrap for this week. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you have a great start to the new weekend.